Now here's Stephen Caruso with a look at this week's top stories in the business world.
Thanks, Jane. Here's the news that moved markets this week. The Federal Reserve continued to dominate the headlines. The Fed raised 0.75%. That's the largest move in the Fed funds rate since 1994. Chair Powell indicated in his post-meeting news conference that a similar move is likely at the next meeting in July. The move from the Fed contributed to the volatility on Wall Street as stocks continued to struggle. Well, higher interest rates could be the thing that finally slows the housing market. Mortgage rates crossed over 6% this week, and demand appears to be softening. May housing starts plunged by almost 14.5%, and building permits dropped by 7%. The declines vastly exceeded economists' expectations. Well, inflation and the higher cost to borrow has people traveling less. Airline fares are now 30% higher than in 2019. U.S. airline bookings posted a second consecutive monthly drop, falling again in May, with domestic airline bookings down 2.3% from April. One place people are still spending is at the movies. AMC movie theater execs say that ticket revenue for the past weekend is better than the same time in 2019. Powered by the opening of Jurassic World Dominion and the continued success of Top Gun Maverick, more than 4.9 million moviegoers saw a movie at an AMC theater worldwide this past weekend. Speaking of movies, to quote the Lego movie, everything is awesome for Lego. The company will invest more than $1 billion in a factory in Virginia to shorten supply chains and keep up with growing demand in the U.S. The factory will be powered by renewable energy produced at an on-site solar park. Now here's Jane, who's talking to an executive from a company that's connecting artists, galleries, and blockchain experts.